What is up, people? This is Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today we have a very beautiful pair of Converse, and they have recently released it, and it looks way too beautiful to like. It is very beautiful pair. I just can't explain it. I'll show this pair, then we'll talk about it. So let's start. So this is Converse Omni Trainer OX. You also get to see hints of leather on the side panel and on the back heel in that white colorway, suede in that dark mustard color, and that nylon canvas in that pastel yellow color. In the first glance, no one will say this is a pair of Converse. Yes, Converse is trying to make new silhouettes and they are just nailing it. In recent years they have released crazy different silhouettes, and I am just loving everything they put out, and this is one of them. A very chunky, bulky sneaker and looks very good on feet, and that white Comfort X midsole contrasts very well with the sneaker, and this sneaker also has a gum bottom to it, and that is a very interesting detail on this pair. Comfort wise, the sneaker is beautiful because it has Comfort CX technology in it. That is one of the most comfortable technology from Converse, and because of nylon canvas upper, it is again a very breathable sneaker. So your feet is going to breathe and will definitely thank you. You can really style this sneaker in multiple different ways, with shorts, with jeans, with trousers, a lot of things, and you will just love it. Trust me, if you are in college or office, you can definitely wear this sneaker whole day long and you will still won't feel anything. There are multiple different colorways of the sneaker. You can get any of those: black, white, cream, green, something like that. A lot of different colorways. You will definitely find what you are looking for. You can go for any other pair and they are all that beautiful, high quality pair. So in basic terms, a great chunky sneaker, very comfortable sneaker, lightweight sneaker, beautiful colors, and a very unique silhouette from Converse, and priced very well right now. This sneaker retails for 6,999 rupees. That is almost 7,000 rupees. I got this pair for 6,200 rupees. That is a very beautiful price for Converse, because Converse normally doesn't go on sale. So this is the kind of a pair I can wear on a daily basis. So I personally like it. Do let me know what you guys think about this. And if you have loved this pair, you will love this Converse pair as well, because that is again a very unique pair from Converse. So do let me know what you guys think about this. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.